This is Samsung S9 Plus Type-C OTG FEBON 180. This is USB 2 cable, USB 3 cable, put together, added together, USB 3 cable, USB 2 cable, together, connect together. Camcorder, connect. Open app camerafi live. Facebook. Video is from the camcorder. You just use the personal fence. No group. This is group. No, you cannot use the group. Just personal fence. Live streaming. I will use the Type-C hub to do. If you use Type-C hub, you just can connect it directly. You do not connect the USB 2 cable. Okay. And connect it. And this will connect the power bank. You can see charge. FEBON 180 connect the camcorder. Open camerafi live. Charge. Camcorder. Go. Go. Love chilling.
Facebook.